welcome back. Welcome to my office, aka the floor of my bedroom. Today, I wanted to give you guys a little thrift haul of some of the stuff I got. I'm hoping it fits because the situation right now with what's going on, the dressing rooms aren't really open in the thrift stores. I mean, for anybody else, I think it would be fine, but because I'm thick, it's a little problematic. I don't know if stuff is gonna fit. We'll see how this goes. I got some really cute stuff and I'll go through each of them one by one. And then I did a try on as well. Let's get into it. Got these cute pants, and I'm not a huge proponent of buying pants without trying them on, but I saw these ones and I was kind of like, you know what, let's see where this goes. Like, look at how cute they are with the little holes. They're like a little ripped. They're actually very flattering to the figure, and even the butt pockets have little holes, like if you look, like little holes. Very cute. Yeah, I'm super happy with these, and I don't really have any white jeans, so I'm really glad I found these ones. Okay, and then next, I mean, this is pretty basic, but I did like how it looked. Look at, like a cute little croppy top with long sleeves. I do like that it has the long sleeves. And they're not flared sleeves or anything, they're just plain like knit sleeves, so I like that too. Yeah, I just put this on top of a lot of the outfits I'm showing you right now because it's like a nice basic casual top. This one too is a small. It's a small, but I guess because it's knit and it's stretchy, it fits me, and I think I'm like a large or extra large top. So that's exciting. So I have another kind of basic crop top. I do love these crop tops because I love pairing them with high-waisted jeans, or even like high-waisted like mom shorts or mom skirts, I guess you could call them. So yeah, I really like this too. I'm so glad I found it and that it fits me really well. You guys probably know by now if you've been watching, I absolutely love these like high-waisted mom shorts because, you know, I'm kind of like old school. But look at how cute these are. So these ones, you can kind of roll them up at the bottom. They have some nice little pockets, stretchy waistband. I really just love having basics like this too, just because you can wear it with anything, like a nice white shirt tucked in, some sandals, some strappy sandals, even like Vans, Converse. That's what I like to do with these. On to the next. I found this really cute skirt. It's like almost like a slip skirt, but it has elastic. It does have, oh, look at these two, these little slits right here. It has these little slits in the bottom. The only unfortunate thing is it's too big for me, but I did figure out a way to like tie it. So it has these two little things right here. So I tied it like across my waist kind of thing. So it has like this like crisscross effect, and I tied it in the back. So it's not even a problem that it's too big. It's just, it's cute, it's alright. It's like the perfect like classy meets sassy meets like a little sexy, you know. So it's a go. Up next, we have this cute AF Tommy Bahama. It's like a little vest type thing. It has like these cute little buttons on there. I really like that too. these little, but they look like abalone shells. I think that's what you call it. What happens sometimes when you are chesty, kind of like myself, you have to be really careful with buttons because you get that little like separation thing that happens right there, and it's not cute. It's not a good look. So this I do really like. Sucks that it doesn't really like fit me how I'd like, but it's so adorable. And it's really soft. Like the material is really soft, and like I love the bright pattern, like the bright print. It's very like Hawaiian. Okay, this one I might just cry while I'm talking to you about it because like I was so excited about this because look at these bows. Like look at how cute. And look at this, again, floral print. I can't not like be obsessed with this. I'm not even like a dress person, so I don't know why I got excited. I think it's just the color because it's like a really pretty like salmon color. But it squashed my boobs like pancakes. So now I'm not really sure what to do with it. It's so cute though. So cute. Next, we got this cute, super hot. It looks like it's vintage Victoria's Secret, like a slip. Silky, soft, luxurious. Ooh. So it has like this lace at the back and then these two lace panels at the front. So you can see right here, little like baby adjustable straps right here. So you can adjust that. Very silky. It's nice. It is pretty nice. I just don't think it's my style. I thought it would be my style, but it was not. Okay, and then we also have here, and this is actually Fashion Nova, so I kind of scored good with this one. It was kind of like in a bundle like this when I found it, so I was like, okay, cool, like what do I do with this? But it was the color that really got me, because like this kind of like mocha gold sultry color is very much my style. I don't know how to find the top from the bottom. I don't know.
2,000 years later.
So this is it, tied and everything. So you can see it does have like a cute little side skirt part. It's really soft. It's also stretchy, so there's like room in there to eat, to drink. That's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments, questions, anything like that, feel free to type it down below. I love talking to you guys in the comments and interacting with you, so feel free to leave a comment if you have anything you'd like to say. Besides that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.